Hello guys, welcome to Pcexpress Luxembourg. Today we will assemble our gaming computer. It's the Gaming Pro. Okay, it's a gaming computer with an Intel Core i7 9700, 8 cores. We have the graphics card, an Asus Strix is the Nvidia RTX 2070. Motherboard will be using the Asus ROG Strix the Z390i gaming. Memory 16 gigabytes, 2x8 HyperX Predator, 3200 MHz. For the main SSD it will be an M2 SSD from Corsair, 480 gigabytes. It's capable of 3800 megabytes per second. We'll add a second drive. It will be a mechanical drive with 2 terabytes. Power supply 750 watts. The gaming case, it will be NZXT. It will be the h510 Elite, the black version. Okay, so this is a really nice gaming computer. The price, everything assembled and with 2 years warranty and support on everything, is only 2,000 euros. Okay, so let's take a look at the parts and then I will assemble the computer so that you guys can check out the final results. Okay, so let's start with the case. Let's go. This case comes in white or black. I really like these cases because they are super modern. Okay, let's take a look, guys. Okay, some guys online, they say that they don't like this case very much because of poor cooling performance. That's not true. For sure, if you don't install any fans, you'll have a poor cooling performance. But so let's open the case, guys. This is a really nice case. It's all black, but the end result with the lights on the front, it's really modern. Okay, so let's remove the tempered glass, and inside it already comes pre-installed with 2 fans, okay, with the RGB lights. If you don't like RGB, just shut them down on the app. So here we have another fan, and here we have another fan. Okay, from factory we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fans. I will replace one of these fans for a water cooling fan because we will use the Kraken X42 to cool down the CPU. Okay, so everything will be nicely come together because the water pump, we also have the NZXT logo to match the lights on the front and on the inside. Okay, so let's give it a go. If you take a look at this case, okay, so here we have the air intake because the fans, they are pushing, this is like a chamber. The fans, they are pushing the air, cold air from the outside. The cold air will go to the inside. Here, one fan will take out air, another fan it will take out the hot air, and here the power supply also take out the hot air. So a really nice airflow. So the case will not overheat and your components will last longer. Okay, I really like these cases because they are really nicely built. Everything is steel. Okay, and here we have the power supply with all the cables, so it's already hidden with this panel. And so this is the case we will be using. So now let's go for the cooling. We will use this Kraken X42 cooling. It's 140 millimeters radiator and fan. Okay. I'll show you guys the water pump because the rest is the fan and the radiator. Okay, Here we are. This will be the cooling we'll be using because it has a nice NZXT logo in it to match our case and lights. The performance of this cooler is really nice, okay? It will be a nice match with our i7 9700K. The cooling. Our CPU, when we assemble a new computer for a customer, we will always give you guys in the end the boxes of all the material that you have inside the computer. Okay, so this will be our CPU, Intel Core i7 9700K. Okay, CPU here. No fan because we didn't need the fan version because water cooling it's best. The motherboard will go in for an Asus team in this one, so it will be an Asus motherboard. It's Z390 gaming. Here we go. This will be our motherboard. Okay, also in black to match the case. Right? Motherboard. I'll ask Flip to come here so we can show you guys the box. It comes with the cables, and here some more cables, and LED cables, zip ties, the front connector plug, and you shall not pass. So, motherboard, I will already left it like so I can install it. Okay, this will be our motherboard here. We will, because it's a gaming computer, okay, it's the ROG Strix to match motherboard. It will be the Nvidia RTX 3070. Okay, so for this price, 2,000 euros, that is the most we can add to a computer. Because there's no point in having a 1,500 euros graphics card inside with a shitty motherboard and a shitty case and a shitty water cooling, right? So we must match everything together. But if you guys, oh Marco, I really like this computer, but I rather have the GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, no problem. We'll assemble exactly the same computer, but you'll pay the difference between the 2070 for the 2080 Ti. You guys just need to let us know what do you want. This, we have some preview systems in our website that you guys can have a really nice idea, but remember, you just tell us what you need and we will assemble the computer that you want. For sure, I will check if the parts, they are compatible, right? So that you guys will choose a AMD motherboard for an Intel CPU. For me to be sure that you guys will choose the right speed of the RAM. But it doesn't matter, you just tell us what you need or tell us your budget and we will always be more than glad to help you guys. Okay, so this is a graphics card, black, okay, Asus, really nice quality, nicely built. Here we are, graphics card. On the front, because it's the most expensive part. So now, I'll show you guys The memory, okay, Predator RGB series, 3200 megahertz, and let's check them out. Everything will be a lot better, so you guys will understand why we have chosen the components we did when you guys watch the final video, the end result. Okay, this is the RAM, remember, black, okay, with RGB. If you don't like RGB, just turn it off. So now let's go for the main SSD. It will be Corsair MP510, 480 gigabytes. Speed is 3480 megabytes per second. Okay, main SSD will be this one. And then we'll have 2 terabytes hard drive for storage. Okay. And the power supply we have chosen with the Corsair 5 years warranty, 80 plus certified. It will be 750 watts. Again, the power supply because black cables, nicely black cables. So here we are, guys. Everything we need to build a computer. So we have the case, we have the motherboard, we have the CPU, we have the water cooling, we have the memory, and we have the main hard drive, second hard drive, and power supply. Okay, that's everything we need to build a computer. I'll go inside and build it, and then I will show you guys the final result, because it will be all dark. Interesting. Okay, thank you. See you in a moment. Hello guys. So the PC is ready. This is the next day because I have assembled the machine yesterday evening. So here is the final result. Okay, remember this is our 2000 euros gaming computer with an Intel Core i7 9700K, Nvidia Asus RTX 2070, Asus ROG Strix Z3090E gaming motherboard, 16 gigabytes of 3200 MHz RGB RAM from HyperX. The main drive is a Corsair 480 gigabytes M2 SSD. We have 2 terabytes hard drive, 750 watts power supply, and the NZXT H510 Elite case in black. Okay, we already done some in white. This one is all black. As you guys can check out, all components are black. So we have a really nice finish on the end. We even have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi here. So now let's turn it on so you guys can check out. So 2000 euros gaming machine. Remember, if you need help, if you want to assemble a computer, we'll be more than glad to help you. This is the one exactly on our website, the Gaming Pro. But remember, we can custom make a computer for you. Okay, you see, everything is nice and clean. Windows is installed, programs are installed. We already run some benchmarks. We already updated the BIOS to the latest version. Windows 10 Pro is installed, up to date. And during the benchmark, we run a 2-hour stress test to check out the temperatures, and everything is great. So the customer will pick up the computer in about 1 hour. It's ready to go. Thank you so much. Philip will show you the final result, okay? I will even can open it. Check out, guys. Let's take a look inside. If I go here, we just pull this out like so. Okay, so 2070 graphics card from Nvidia, 8 and 8 for a total of 16 gigabytes of memory. Power supply here hidden, all black cables. NZXT water cooling, Intel Core i7, all the cables, they are nice and clean, so we have a really nice airflow. Remember, the air from the front, we have 2 fans pushing out cold air from the side, because we have holes here on the side. Then we have our water cooling pushing out air to the back. We have another fan here pushing out air from the top, and it's a really nice gaming computer. Okay, I hope you like it. Again, remember, if you don't like the lights, close, you just go to the software, because there you can control everything, the colors, I like the purple with the black. Okay, purple and black. For me it's nice. But if you want to change colors, you just go here. Okay, check out guys, NZXTGaming software. We go to lights. Let's say I go to the front. This is the front, and I can change colors, red. Check it out, really easy. Let me set it in purple again. And on the motherboard, you can change the colors of your graphics card, of the memory, of the NZXT water cooling. Everything can be controlled by the software. Okay. For the temperatures, 32 degrees the CPU, 29 degrees the GPU. After we ran 30 minutes ago a stress test, everything was nice. So a really nice gaming computer. I'm sure the customer will enjoy it. Okay, thank you guys. Remember, we'll always give you all the boxes. Okay, power supply, water cooling, motherboard, CPU, memory, graphics card, case, main hard drive. Okay, thank you.